there. Today I am going to be making a volcano. For it, you will need some red food coloring, unless you want to make an acid volcano, which I would suggest lime green. Baking soda, in this case I'm using a mug, vinegar, and dish soap to make it even better. First, you start by taking the mug, pouring some vinegar. I want to say pouring some vinegar into the mug. Some vinegar into the mug. And then you put in, I think, the food coloring first. Make sure to not get this step messed up. Hold on here. So you get the food coloring put in first. Hold on just a second. Okay, sorry for the wait. Then for this stuff, I use gel. This was the only thing I had on hand. Then you mix some of the gel in with the vinegar, or some of the food coloring in with the vinegar. I would not suggest apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar, because that stuff comes pre-colored. But it's the only thing I had personally. You shouldn't use it. If you have other vinegar, you should use that other vinegar. But now moving on. Okay, it's a little bit more dyed. Why did I do that? Okay, now you need to put in some dish soap. Believe me, it's gonna get to the explosive part soon. And then 3, 2, 1. Hope you can see it. And woo! Whoa, that is gigantic. You see, the dish soap really can sometimes really help it by just adding something. I don't know exactly what it adds, but it just adds something that makes it really work, really gives it that really good texture. And that is what happened to it. I really hope you guys liked today's video, and please watch out for more science videos on Gavin Steele. 5 counts.